Hello and welcome back to our segment of Weekly Scoop with Ocean Finvest. Today we are diving deep into a topic that excites every investor but also makes them a little nervous, that is small cap fund. These funds have the power to deliver massive returns but can also be incredibly volatile. So सबसे बड़ा question ये है, how do you separate the hidden gems from the ticking time bombs? And that's exactly what I'll share with you today. 6 powerful factors that can help you pick the right small cap fund. So let's get started. हमारा पहला फैक्टर है लिक्विडिटी रिस्क, द साइलेंट किलर ऑफ स्मॉल कैप. इमेजिन करो आपने एक फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया है एंड सडनली द मार्केट क्रैशेस. यू नीड टू सेल बट गेस व्हाट, नोबडी इज बाइंग. द स्टॉक इज स्टक एंड द प्राइस स्टार्ट्स कोलैप्सिंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड लिक्विडिटी रिस्क एंड इट कैन डिस्ट्रॉय योर रिटर्न्स ओवरनाइट. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मेनी पीपल अज्यूम कि बिगर फंड्स आर मोर लिक्विड, बट हियर्स द ट्रूथ, साइज डजंट ऑलवेज मीन सेफ्टी. A recent SEBI study actually showed that some 8,000 करोड़ AUM funds को 25% liquidate करने में 17 days लगे, and दूसरी साइड पे others with 32,000 करोड़ AUM took over 30 days. So how will you check liquidity? पहले देखें how diversified the fund is. Does it hold stocks that trade actively? And yes, most important, make sure no single stock in the portfolio makes up more than 10% of the company's total market cap. बिकॉज ये एक सबसे बड़ा रेड फ्लैग है एग्जिट रिस्क के लिए. हमारा सेकंड फैक्टर है पीई विथ पेग, फाइंडिंग ग्रोथ एट द राइट प्राइस. वी ऑल लव चीप स्टॉक्स, राइट? बट लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग, अ लो पीई रेशियो डजंट ऑलवेज मीन अ स्टॉक इज चीप, because some companies deserve a premium valuation, and that is why instead of PE हमें पेग रेशियो यूज करना चाहिए which adjusts for growth. Third and one of the most important factor is rolling returns versus trailing returns, the hidden truth. सबसे common mistake जो investors करते हैं is check trailing returns, but वो often misleading हो सकते हैं. I'll give you example of small cap funds only. Last 3 years का trailing return for small cap funds is 18.9%, but 3 years का rolling return is 30.55%. What's the difference? ट्रेलिंग रिटर्न सिर्फ एक स्नैपशॉट दिखाता है, मतलब एक फिक्स टाइम पीरियड का रिजल्ट, बट रोलिंग रिटर्न्स एनालाइज मल्टीपल टाइम फ्रेम्स, giving you the real performance picture. So always make sure to check rolling returns to see how consistent the fund is. हमारा fourth point है risk adjusted returns. Are you taking smart risk? सबको high returns पसंद है, but the real question is at what risk? We can use 4 key ratios to measure risk adjusted performance. First is Sharpe ratio. Are you getting enough return for the risk you are taking? Second is Sortino. How much downside risk is involved? Third is Trainer. Does the fund justify its market exposure? And fourth is information ratio. Is the fund manager skilled or just lucky? When we analyzed small cap funds using all 4 risk adjusted ratios, comparing each fund against the category average, only 11 out of 30 cleared all filters. So always remember, if a fund is high returns but poor risk ratios, it's actually a time bomb waiting to explode. Fifth is concentration risk, too many or too few stocks. Some say that holding too many stocks weakens returns, but is that really true? Let's look at the data. एक फंड है विद 60 स्टॉक्स एंड एन AUM ऑफ 1400 करोड़ जिसका 3 ईयर का केगर सिर्फ 9% है, एंड देयर इज अनदर फंड जिसमें 225 स्टॉक्स है with AUM of 57,000 करोड़ जिसका केगर 22% है. So the key takeaway is it's not about how many stocks the fund holds, it's about which stocks you hold. फिर भले वो 60 stocks हो या 250 stocks. Sixth and the last point is earnings projections. Can the fund deliver on promises? Imagine a fund manager says, we expect 20% earnings growth next year. Sounds great, right? But what if actual earnings growth turns out to be 10%? To avoid being misled, compare projected versus actual earnings growth. If a fund consistently overpromises and underdelivers, it's a red flag. So final takeaway, how to pick the right small cap fund? It's simple. Before you invest, run your fund through this 6-step checklist. So lastly, I'll say small caps are volatile, but volatility isn't a risk. It's an opportunity when you invest with precision. And slowly ये principles को implement करने से you won't just invest, you'll invest smart. You'll know which funds to hold, when to buy and when to exit. And most importantly, you'll have the confidence to ride the ups and downs of small caps without panic. I hope this helps you make better, smarter and more profitable investors. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such market insights. That's it. Bye-bye.